In today's video of 1 to Step, I'm going to show you the process of creating a Hotmail email. If you want to add in a hotmail.com as your email address, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end because I'm going to show you the exact way of doing this. Now Hotmail is a part of Microsoft, which is called Outlook. So to create your Hotmail account, you'll need to search up for outlook.com and you'll land on the official website of Microsoft Outlook. Once you're here on the home screen, you'll see an option of create free account. Click on this option and instead of choosing the outlook.com, you can choose the hotmail.com. Once you selected the hotmail.com, now you can enter in your email and then click on next. If this email is available, it's going to be given to you, and in the next section you can create a password. If you want to reveal this password, you can click on show password and this password will be revealed. Now after you type in your password, click on next and it's time to add in your name. So type in your first name on the first box and type in your second name in the second box and then click on next. Select your country or region, date of birth and click on next. Now lastly, before you create your account, you will need to solve this puzzle to verify that you're not a robot. And there you go, your Hotmail email now has been successfully created and you can open up your email using the outlook.com website and you can check all of your emails through this section. So that was a quick and easy video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. If you want more videos similar to this, make sure to turn on the notifications so you get notified for more interesting videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.